Hi friends, today let me share South special homemade sambar masala and sambar recipe. It's side dish for dosas, idlis, vadas, upma and plain rice. I am a Maharashtrian who was born and brought up in South India. This recipe I learned from my South Connect. So let's start. For sambar masala, the ingredients are urad dal, chana dal, tur dal, coriander seeds, methi, fenugreek seeds, black pepper and dried red chilies. Heat a wok on a low flame. Dry roast these pulses one by one. First, 2 tablespoons tur dal, yellow lentil. You can use a drop of oil to roast. Dry roast till they turn goldenish like this. Then add it to a mixer bowl for grinding. Same way 2 tablespoons chana dal. Two tablespoons urad dal. Four dry red chilies and 1 tablespoon black peppercorns. Roast till they change color. 4 tablespoon coriander, dhania seeds, and finally 1 spoon methi seeds. Grind all of these ingredients. Freshly grounded sambar masala is ready. You can use this 2 to 3 times for preparing sambar. Take half a cup of tur dal, yellow lentil, wash it first, add half a glass of water, half masala spoon turmeric powder, cook for 3 to 4 whistles. Take a tennis ball size tamarind, soak it in a cup of water. Take a carrot, 3-4 bendi, purple brinjal, pumpkin peas, radish and drumsticks, 5 to 6 small sambar onions, 2 tomatoes, 6 to 7 stems of curry leaves, 4 green chilies. Here I have used 5 to 6 small sambar onions. You can also use ordinary onions cut in 4 halves or lengthwise. Cut the 2 drumsticks into 1 or 2 inch pieces. Slice the bhendi, okra into half a inch piece. Dice the carrot like this. Dice 1 radish. Cut the pumpkin peas into small cubes. Add purple brinjal if you like it. Chop the tomatoes into chunks. Slit the green chilies and keep the curry leaves ready. After the dal is cooked, transfer it into a bowl and mash it into a smooth paste and keep it ready. Take a thick bottom hollow vessel. You can take a cylindrical or a pot type of stainless steel vessel too. Heat it on a low flame. Add 3 oil can spoons of groundnut oil. You can also use coconut or refined or sunflower oil. Add 1 masala spoon mustard seeds and let it crackle. Add 1 masala spoon cumin seeds, 1 masala spoon hing asafoetida, 1 masala spoon turmeric, 2 masala spoon chili powder. Immediately add the green chilies and the curry leaves. This is important. Add 4 to 5 masala spoons of the sambar masala powder that we freshly grounded. Mix and stir a little. Now add all the cut veggies to it. Add 1 cup of water to the soaked tamarind. Squeeze out tamarind juice and add to the veggies. Do it again with another cup of water. In total, 3 cups of tamarind water. Let the veggies immerse in it. Add 1 cup water. So roughly for 3 cups of tamarind water, I will add 3 cups of water in intervals to cook the veggies. Stir the mixture. Add 1 1/4 spoon of salt. Let the veggies stew on sim flame. It takes roughly 20 minutes for the veggies to cook on low flame. Add water in intervals to dilute the consistency and cook the veggies properly. In total, I add 3 cups of water. See, the veggies have become soft and transparent. That's the sign that they are well cooked, and aroma of freshly grounded sambar masala should fill the air. Add cooked mashed tur dal to it. Blend it thoroughly with the stew. See, the consistency should be like this. Boil it for few more minutes till the dal blends perfectly with the tamarind water veggies stew. Maintain its thickness to pouring consistency. Flavorful fresh sambar is ready. This serves 3 to 4 people. Friends, don't forget to subscribe to my channel Chalta Dabba. Like, share and support for more fail-proof recipes for you. Thank you.